Hello and welcome to the next video in the TTM for Jira series. In this video, we will explore the different types of reports that are available in the TTM for Jira tool. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify different types of reports and their key metrics. You will also be able to explain the significance of each type of report in TTM for Jira. Let's start by exploring the various types of reports in TTM for Jira. There are 4 types of reports: test summary, test metrics, execution progress, and traceability matrix. Each of these reports has its usage and functionalities. Let's explore them one by one. Starting with the test summary report. This report will display metrics such as created test cases, abandoned test case creation, test execution, and more. You can choose a date range, such as the last 30 days, to get a more specific report. It can be further filtered by assignee and components. You can download a PDF version by clicking the Export to PDF button. The next report we have is the test metrics. Set a filter to display metrics in this report. In this case, let's select the version 4.0.0 in the version and cycles filter. The report will then show metrics like test execution result by cycle and version, and test execution by tester and component. You can use the toggle button to switch between the stacked and clustered view. For additional optimization, apply filters such as assignee and components. Use the Export to PDF button to download the report to your local drive. Moving to the next report, the execution progress, where you'll find metrics for execution results over time, total statuses result, and test execution result by priority. You can use the date range to narrow down your reports. In this case, we will generate a report for the last 30 days. You can see that 40 executions were carried out, displaying their respective statuses, such as passed, failed, in progress, and more. The toggle button allows you to switch between stacked and clustered views. Again, you can download the report to your local system by simply clicking on the Export to PDF button. Now, in the last report, the traceability matrix stands out as the most powerful report in TTM for Jira. This comprehensive report displays metrics from requirements to defects. Note that in this report, you will see all the requirements that are covered by test cases. Let's expand the requirement TTM-14 and analyze its details. Here, you can see a list of all the test cases linked to this requirement, along with the executed test runs and their respective statuses. Additionally, any defects logged during the test execution for these test runs are also displayed. The use of filters such as version and cycles, issue types, execution statuses, and issue association enables you to refine your metrics. Let's say if you want to find the defects logged in test runs related to the requirement TTM-188, you can select a specific cycle in the version and cycles filter and choose executions with defects under the issue association filter. You can observe that the specific metric will be displayed. Use the issue types filter and select the desired type from the list if you wish to focus on a specific issue type. Clicking on Reset will remove all the filters applied. You can use the Export button to save the report in your local system. A distinctive feature of the TTM for Jira tool is the ability to switch the point of view by toggling between forward traceability and backward traceability. This feature helps you to organize your reports as per your needs. So when you activate forward traceability, you can trace the reports from requirements to test cases, test run execution, and finally defects. On the other hand, activating backward traceability lets you trace the report in reverse order, starting with defects and ending with requirements. This brings us to the end of this video, and by now you should be able to identify different types of reports and their key metrics, and explain the significance of each type of report in TTM for Jira.